What's up guys, my name's Brandon, and the iPhone SE 2 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated devices of 2018. We've been getting a lot of leaks and rumors over the past couple months, but today we have a major new leak of the iPhone SE 2. So a retailer known as Mobile Fun just posted a product listing for what could be a glass screen protector for the 2018 iPhone SE 2. Both the render of the iPhone SE 2 and the screen protector come from case company Olixar, which again is a case company that I know pretty well here on the channel. They've really always supported the channel, and they've also been accurate with leaks in the past. And you can see here that the render shows an iPhone SE style body like the original iPhone SE with an iPhone 10 style edge-to-edge display, and even the notch on the top as well. It does seem a little bit smaller, but there is a notch there. And since there is no home button, it looks like the SE 2 will also be unlocked via Face ID. Now in this render, we don't see the back of the device, so we don't know if it's going to be glass or not, but hopefully it is, so we can have wireless charging capabilities. And one other very small detail that you may notice in this render is take a look at the lock screen. You're going to see that it says June 19th on there. So could that possibly be a hint as to when we'll see the SE 2 released? I mean, this would line up with the previous rumors that the 2018 iPhone SE would be released in the same month as WWDC. So this could not only be a leak of the actual design of the iPhone SE 2, but also the release date. And on the Mobile Fun website, you can see here that you can actually pre-order the screen protector. So they seem to be pretty confident in this actual product and render. Now, along with the render for the screen protector, Olixar also shared schematics of the device, which shows that it will be 121 millimeters in length and about 56 millimeters in width. And just to compare that, the original iPhone SE is about 124 by 59 millimeters. So it's a very similar size, but just a tad bit smaller. And of course, the notch will also be smaller than that of the iPhone 10, which of course is expected since the screen size is expected to be around 4.7 inches to 5 inches. Now we also have images of the iPhone SE 2 screen protector sitting next to an iPhone 5 on the production floor of what seems to be a factory. And you can see that the screen protector is a tad bit smaller than the iPhone 5, which would make sense again if we do have the edge-to-edge display on the iPhone SE 2. Now in a separate leak today, we got a very interesting part leak of the iPhone SE 2 or the 2018 iPhone SE, whatever it's going to end up being called. You can see here that there are pictures of the front and back, and the parts seem to line up with past schematics and also Olixar's render of the screen protector, the iPhone SE 2 and the screen protector listing. Now these parts and the render also line up with the 3D CAD render from Tiger Mobile and on leaks that showed the iPhone SE body with an iPhone 10-like screen. And this 3D render was released a couple weeks back. Now on the opposite side of the spectrum, some of the earlier leaks indicated that the iPhone SE 2 will just be getting very minor adjustments, very minor improvements from the original iPhone SE. Some of those minor adjustments are just like putting a glass back on the back for wireless charging and also possibly removing the headphone jack while keeping the same body and the same screen as the original iPhone SE. So of course there are still conflicting rumors and leaks going on out there, so we really don't know what to expect yet. So just take everything you see about the iPhone SE 2 or the 2018 iPhone SE, whatever it's going to be called, take everything with a grain of salt at this point in time. And actually just recently, Vinny Geskin tweeted out, "I have to say that my main source is saying that SE 2 will have the same design and display as the first SE, but with a glass back." So this is a pretty interesting statement because I also predicted this about a month back that it would be very minor like that, but also because some of the earlier leaks showcase this as well. So once again, just more conflicting rumors, and only time will tell, what the actual iPhone SE 2 will look like. Now, one thing I did just want to note as well is that a lot of people seem to misinterpret the iPhone SE as a phone, as a device. A lot of people think that it's a budget device, but that's not really the case. The iPhone SE is simply just a smaller option than like the iPhone 10 or possibly the iPhone 10 Plus later on this year. It's not really meant to be a budget device. It's just simply a smaller, more modern version of something like the iPhone 5S or the iPhone SE, the original iPhone SE. So yes, of course, it's going to be cheaper than something like the iPhone 10, but I would not really consider it a budget phone. So anyways, guys, there you have it. Those are the latest leaks on the iPhone SE 2. And again, these are some pretty massive leaks that we talked about here in this video today. I know and I'm sure all you guys are also hoping that the iPhone SE 2 looks like the leaked images and renders that we saw in today's video, but of course we really just don't know at this point. Take everything with a grain of salt. Definitely let me know what you guys think about the iPhone SE 2 or the 2018 iPhone SE, whatever it's going to end up being called, down in the comment section down below. Also let me know down in the comment below if you're going to plan on getting the iPhone SE 2 possibly instead of the iPhone 10 Plus, which obviously there's going to be a big price gap between. Let me know all your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe for a lot more iPhone SE 2 leaks and rumors videos. But anyways guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.